Here we are, the blizzard of 2022. We're gonna take this hay out to the birds. It's rocky there. There we go. It is that. It's probably an inch a minute. There we go. So that they're doing all right out there. We checked on them earlier. We fed them. Very deep. Let's see what it looks like here in New England. There's a Cooper's hawk up there in that evergreen. I'm hoping that it's okay, even though it's taken one of our girls. And the fox is back there somewhere too. And you're looking at the future greenhouse. We found trash, or AKA scraps of wood on the side of the road. That frame is going to be a greenhouse. And of course we found doors for the coop and windows we installed to maximize the amount of sunlight that comes in here. Oh man. Alright, let's kick this right down here. Okay. Yeah, that's closed. This is a window we put in. We'll see how the girls are doing. Hey lady, oh, looks like we have another bird. Wants to move in and nest. That's okay, she could stay. We fed some leftover scraps here today. Looks like we have some cantaloupe, some rice, and they're all in there. They are looking rough though, I'll tell you. I can't wait for this storm to pass so they could... This poor bird is flipping out. There's a hole up there, so I'm gonna make her a house so she doesn't have to interfere with the chickens here. Some of this hay will give them nice dust baths to scratch in. No eggs today either, so anyway. It is tight in there. There they go, those scratching there. Yep. Happy chickens. We'll see them tomorrow, and I'll clear out a little path for them so they could get some fresh air.